Now this here is salsa criole or creole salsa, which is an Argentinian condiment. Now there are different variations of a creole salsa all across Latin America, but this is my spin on the Argentinian version. So what you need are some peppers. I'm using poblano peppers, then some red peppers, tomatoes, onions, then some red wine vinegar and some oregano. I'm using crushed and ground, along with some salt, some pepper, and a really generous amount of olive oil just to bring it all together. And then you just need to give it all a toss. It's gonna feel deceivingly simple, but trust me, once you have that, put it in a jar or a container and refrigerate it. In like less than 30 minutes, it's gonna become so fragrant, so delicious. Have it with your Argentinian style food, have it on your eggs, have it with toast. It's amazing, and I'm kind of mad that I only discovered it right now. But honestly, I'd recommend that you try this with my Argentinian hot dogs that's coming in just about 2 weeks.